I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to change your plan on Bell Online, follow these steps to make the process smooth. Step 1. Log into your account. Start by visiting the Bell website and logging into your account using your credentials. This is where you allow manage your services. Step 2. Navigate to Plan Options. Once logged in, look for the section labeled My Services or Plan Options. This is where you can view your current plan and available upgrades. Step 3. Select Change Plan. In the Plan Options section, find and click on the Change Plan button. This will take you to a list of plans you can switch to. Step 4. Review new plans. Take your time to review the new plans available. Each plan will have details on pricing, data limits, and features. Make sure to compare them carefully. Step 5. Confirm your selection. After choosing a new plan, click the Confirm button to finalize the change. You may receive a confirmation email shortly after. If you don't see it, check your spam folder. Changing your plan can be straightforward if you follow these steps. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Bell customer support for assistance. Happy planning!